This is the 40-piece set of Kobalt socket set. This is actually a new kit. I had it replaced today. The other set had lasted me 5 years, which is really good. This one's a little bit different than the other one. The other one was 75 teeth. This one's a 90 tooth. And there are a couple of things that I don't like about this set. These right here, if you ain't careful, if you open it up, if you look at it, the store has it like this when you go pick it up, and this looks like it's the bottom side of it, but it's really not. That's the top side, which I marked it as top, because these right here will all spill out, and then you're stuck trying to pick them all up. In the other video on my other set that I got today, I was talking about this right here. These are painted on, and the other ones are engraved in. I would have rather had them engraved in so they don't wear off. They get scratched up some, but they don't ever wear off if they're engraved most of the time. But all in all, this one's a nice set. I usually I use it. I've let neighbors use it. I've had kids that have used it. The set that I had before, and that's, you know, they use it on their bikes to fix the chains and stuff like that, and we've used a few sockets out of them for fixing the cars, plumbing parts, just different things. And I'll try to see if I can get in here and show you the sizes that are in here. The other one, it was labeled in the box. There we are. 13 millimeter, 14 millimeter, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 12, 11, 10, that one's for the spark plug. Which I think that one is engraved. Yeah, that one's engraved into it. Which it would have been, I believe it would have been nice if they would have engraved them all like that. Let's see. And then the one beside it, or the one right here, that's painted. But still, yeah, they're a good kit. And with a lifetime warranty, you can't really beat them. Like I said, you know, I let my little girl's friends play, fix their bikes and stuff with it. And